Are you looking for a reputable company that stands for assurance and reliability and repairs your gas and electric boiler at an affordable cost? Well, A+R, which means assurance and reliability, are totally customer focused and 100% professional. Our engineers are experienced and highly trained, and they're all gas safe registered. Now, when repairing your gas or electric boiler, we can offer you two options: a one-off repair or a repair and service contract. You pay less up front, and because your monthly payments cover any further breakdowns, you get peace of mind for the rest of the year. And your contract includes an annual service, of course. Once you become a customer, you also become part of our customer team network and enjoy 4 fantastic benefits. 1. £15 every time you refer a new customer to us. 2. The chance to win a different prize every month in our monthly prize draw. 3. The chance to take part in our annual weekend break competition. 4. The option to spread the cost of your gas or electric boiler repair. Our customer team network stretches all over England and Wales. A+R knows assurance and reliability is what everyone wants, and that's why we are your one-stop shop for your boiler repair and central heating needs. When you see our Google Plus page and read our consistent 5-star reviews, you'll see why we are called A+R. So enjoy assurance and reliability and have your boiler repaired by A+R today. Just text us or email us back when you've watched this video and our engineer will call you back.